Good luck to me.
Previously on Handling Home.
Okay, so this is the mystery box. Got this from my doorstep. I need to make Christmas ornaments with whatever items that are in this mystery box. Wow. 101 pesos. Fruit plate. Plastic. Christmas ornament or something to use for Christmas setup. Something to be assembled. I think this is double layer. There are smaller plates. So something like a cake stand or something like that. Fruit plate. It's called fruit plate. Ah. 82 pesos bonsai planters. Oh, ring light. Ring light. It is ring light. So, pwede ba ito sa nose ni Rudolph? I don't know. Or a wreath. Why not? A base for wreath. Non-Christmas items into Christmas ornaments. So let's see.
Let the challenge begin.
I will assemble first the fruit plate so I can visualize how to make this a Christmas item. This is how the fruit plate looks like. My plan is to make use of this table napkin and to put this on every plate, the 3 layers. I am actually thinking to keep this lacy black edge and not put any napkin on it. But I will try first on the bottom layer and see if it works. So I have put glue, place the napkin at the center, and I have put glue as well on top of the napkin. Let me set this aside to dry. Meantime, let me work on the wreath. I want to put a big bow here. I'm making use of a ribbon from my stash. I hope I have enough ribbon because I did not do any pre-measurement. Luckily, I have enough silver ribbon to finish the whole circumference. Now I want to put the bow. I'm thinking of a long bow. And I can make use of these greens. I will make use of this velvet ribbon to combine with the pink one. I'm trying to make sense of the two long bows, put them on top, and trying to wrap around the wreath. But honestly, I don't think I'm getting it. It looks awkward, as if something is wrong. Then, finally, I thought of another plan. I thought of another design. Now I think I'm getting it. From a busted ring light, some greens from the budget store, and my stash of ribbons. I love this wreath. Now when I checked the napkin I was trying to dry, it didn't look good. So I thought I would layer it with another dry napkin and just try to assemble it. With the twisting of the handle, it created pleats on the napkin which I like. Then I thought of putting the wreath on top of the lowest plate. And then I assembled the plate set. The whole thing did not come as planned. I wanted a separate wreath, a separate plate set. But then, after assembling everything and changing the plans, changing the design, I think this is a decent DIY. I made use of 3 things from my mystery box. These are 3 gifts out of my 25 gifts I want to give myself before 2025.